Hey everybody, this is Brett Bonecutter with Monarch Capital on May 10th, 2014 with a quick mortgage rate update. We're looking here at a bond chart, and if you've watched this before, you know that every vertical line represents a day, and as the lines go up, rates go down and vice versa. So not quite what you would think. But what you can see where we ended up the day on Friday is really some of the very best levels that we've been at for 3 months. And if we go to the long chart here, you can see that we have not been at these levels since really late October, early November. So, best levels for 7 months. And while we're not at the absolute lows that we have been at these peaks here, we're off the high, if you will, that we were at in 2013. So we're about halfway. What does that actually mean for rates? Well, 30-year fixed loans are pretty much available for a perfect situation in the low fours, 15-year in the mid to low threes, and again you can see the rest of these for yourself. But if you look at the 52-week high and low, you can see that we are sitting literally in the middle. Now, what's causing this action? Again, concerns about what's going on over in the Ukraine and Russia have obviously made people run towards bonds, and there's sort of a flight to safety. But we also saw some fairly weak gross domestic product numbers economically as well, which turns people away from stocks a little bit, and they start running towards bonds, which makes mortgage rates more attractive. So at any rate, bottom line is we've had a pretty good trend here. Should you lock or not? Look, the way that I think about this is, when you're sitting at some of the best levels in 7 months, if your purchase is imminent, it's definitely not a bad time to lock. And if you've been thinking about buying or refinancing, I'd get in the game now, just to hedge your bets, right? I mean, if you're some of the best levels that we've been at in the course of really a year, it's time to get in and get something done. I mean, low fours and low threes, for goodness sakes. Can't get much better than that. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend.